Hey angels, welcome back to another candle making video. So the bowl I got from Etsy's, it's a labradoodle, labradoodle, but I know. So I got the mold from Etsy's. What else? The candle wick thread from Amazon. The needle is from Amazon as well, and the candle that I'm gonna be using is from Amazon. No, it's not from Amazon. It's from Target. So firstly, I'm gonna thread the wick into the needle and then just punch a hole into the mold. So obviously you're gonna need to light the candle so the candle can burn, yada yada yada. Voila, looks pretty good. Next step, cut the bottom part of the thread, push it through the stick so that it sticks up so that it doesn't fall into the mold, so it can burn all the way through. Perfect. Now it came with this clamp. I was trying to put it at the side. This part I had the worst time with, because it kept on, I didn't even know how to put it on at first. They kept on bending the mold, and I was trying to figure out like how to put it on there so it doesn't shift the mold over or anything like that. So it took me a minute. I was able to figure it out off camera, but in this little few clips, you're just gonna be seeing me struggling with it, trying to figure out like how it's supposed to be placed on there. I was trying not to get my finger in between there because it was kept on clamping up, and I didn't want it to clamp onto my fingers because that would have hurt. But I figured it out, and I'm gonna show you guys before I pour down the candle into the mold, so don't worry about it. That part I just gave, I was like, let me go figure this thing out. So this is the pot I'm just putting down there, the candle that I broke apart. I'm just gonna be melting it down and then just pour it into the mold. So yeah, there's a lot of smoke because for some reason I put this thing on high, and obviously it was sitting down there heating up, so that's why there's a ton of smoke. But when it's melted, it looked like coffee, but it looked like tea to me. There's still some pieces that need to be melted down, and after all of that, then I can start pouring it into the mold. This is the mold. It's already set up, the clamps on and everything. I'm not just pouring it all the way down. I did not mix up enough, so I had to melt some more candle to pour it into the mold, but that was fine. So obviously you can see that there's a ton of space. I melted more candle, and I'm just pouring it down. When the candle dry, everything just sink into the middle, so I had to pour more candle on top of this after it dried. So yeah, just left it overnight. It was kind of tilting to the side, so I ended up having to put something at the side for it to be able to like sit up straight, because it was leaning to one side, and that's where all of the candle was going, and I needed to straighten it out. But that's how it's looking. Looks cute. I like it. Looking adorable. Oh, I thought something broke off. Okay. So far. Okay, nobody's gonna see the bottom, so it should be fine. Please cooperate with me. I already had to remake another can at least 6 times today. Oh, my finger. Damn it. Come on, good me. Brave, how are you supposed to get this thing out? Can't get this. Well, good news, the palms or feet, whatever, did not break off, so that's good. It's just the rest of the body, the big head. It's not want to cooperate. Okay. Let's see the piece of the ears. Okay, other ear. What in the world? Nothing. No. Pieces broke off. See, underneath the mouth is missing. Underneath the ears. These candle molds are so difficult to remove. I don't know how people do these.